Hey guys, this is Miss DeLuca, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you should be doing your practice worksheet. Many of you were confused last time about how to go, so I'm going to show you what you should do and then let you do the rest of the problems on your own. So you should have already highlighted this. You didn't need to write anything down. I just wanted you to highlight it exactly the way that I have it highlighted. My highlighters are on my desk if you need to use them. So you have this worksheet. There's this front and there's a back that I didn't print out on this one. You're going to start with the side that says quiz number 1. My mom's laughing at me. And then, oh, my mom's laughing at you, Kevin, just so you know. Write the chemical formula for these and then write the chemical name, and then the back is the same, just different compounds. Okay, so if it were me and I have this worksheet and I just did all those notes, I would say, okay, write the chemical formula for the following. Sodium chloride. I know that one. We just did that one a lot. That is sodium and a chloride. Yay! Then we get to number 2, and it's sulfur trioxide. I think I know what that is, but I'm not sure. I'm going to go look at my notes and see what it is. So sulfur. I know sulfur is a nonmetal. I also know that that oxide is oxygen, which is also a nonmetal. And I also know that tri means 3. So if you look at nonmetal and nonmetal, that's a covalent bond. Come over to covalent. See, nonmetal and nonmetal. Does it start with H? Nope. So you should use a prefix. Tri is 3. You did it! Okay, so we're going to do sulfur trioxide. Good job. All right, barium sulfate. Is barium a metal or a nonmetal? You'll have to find out. Is sulfate metal or nonmetal? You'll have to find out. Then you check on here. And you go, I think the answer is this, and you will write it down. You will need a periodic table because this is chemistry. Hopefully yours is still taped in the back of your notebook. That's all for this video. Have fun doing the rest. Love you. Bye.